Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, the Haute-Saint-Charles, local and long-distance movers near me. Whether you're moving locally or long-distance, 3 Movers is ready to assist you. Let one of our experienced movers take care of the logistics so you don't have to. Moncton, New Brunswick, commercial and residential transfers are handled by us. We will provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision about your next steps. When traveling long distance, the first thing you need to do is receive an estimate. Inspecting the property on site is the most effective approach to accomplish this. Our team at 3 Movers will supply you with such an estimate, and we'll make sure that all applicable fees are included in the calculation. Moving locally is a lot easier than doing a lot of long-distance projects. This is why a lot of people take care of their local moves by themselves or with some friends. However, people often underestimate the amount of effort and time involved in a move. We recommend that you contact us to at least get an idea of how much work it'll take you to complete your move. We offer a wide variety of options when it comes to moves, from equipment rentals to full-service options. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our La Haute-Saint-Charles moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.